Here I have OPPO F23, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Hotspot. So by tapping on it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its name, you can change its password, you can change its security protocol, you can change its IP band, and you can also hide your hotspot. You can also manage connections, like you can add devices to block list, you can set up device connection limit, you can set up data usage limit. You can also set your hotspot to automatically turn off when no devices are connected, and you can also use it for Bluetooth tethering, USB tethering, and also Ethernet cable tethering. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.